Hello everybody, welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video I'm going to go ahead and be doing a nail tutorial on my birthday set. My birthday was January 13th. I turned 19. But yeah, and also I will be going ahead and announcing the giveaway winners from like a long time ago. I know I procrastinate so much, but I will be announcing them today, so stay tuned for that. So let's go ahead and get started. The color that I will be using is going to go ahead and be this XXC color in white. It is from the classic Polygel kit, so if you guys want to purchase that one, they do not sell it alone, but let me tell you guys, if they did, I did reach out to them and they said that they would pretty soon, so I'm very excited for that because I really love this color. It's a very soft white and it's literally so pretty and gorgeous. But anywho, I'm just going ahead and applying my first layer. I'm making sure that the layer is evenly spread throughout the whole entire nail tip, covering my natural nail as well. And I don't know if you guys saw that, but my brush did end up breaking. I have no idea why. That has already happened to two of my brushes, so I had to go ahead and open a new one. So I'm using my Burano brush now. Unfortunately, this brush wasn't the best, honestly. I noticed right away. But yeah, I still made it work either ways because I don't want to open my other ones. I have so many of these brushes. But I didn't go ahead and encapsulate that. I did not show that, unfortunately, because my camera did die on me. But anywho, I will be showing you guys here. So to not use too much of that colored polygel, I go ahead and just make sure that my first layer is just, the color that I want, which is going to be this white. And then once I went ahead and add my even layer, I go ahead and use the white to encapsulate the whole nail and to also build my apex. Go ahead and just stop by and say thank you guys so much. Thank you so much. I really am really grateful for you guys. I went ahead and reached 2,000 subscribers. I believe it was 2 or 3 days ago. I'm not too sure because I don't really check it often. But I just want to say thank you guys so much for your support. Thank you guys so much for constantly watching my videos, liking my videos, leaving a comment. It means so much to me and lets me know that somebody's out here watching my videos. But thank you guys. Like I said, I'm really grateful for you guys. I love each and every one of you guys, and I hope you guys are all staying safe during this time because I'm a freak. Honestly, I freak out too easily. I panic, I stress too easily, so I try my best to not go out. I rarely go out. I basically just stay in bed all day and do absolutely nothing. But yeah, thank you guys so much for supporting my journey. Thank you for supporting what I do because I honestly love nails. I don't know what I would have done without nails, honestly, because I think it's really fun and satisfying and doesn't stress me out. It kind of helps me relax and, be just chilling with music and just do nails. I think it's so fun and it's a way to express myself and be creative, But anywho, without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and start by announcing the giveaway winners. Okay, and before I continue, I just want to go ahead and say also thank you to you guys who joined my giveaway. Honestly, I was not expecting a lot of people to join. I maybe thought like 10 or 20 people would join. 50 of you guys joined, and I feel very bad knowing that some of you guys didn't win. But like I said, I will be hosting more giveaways from now on. But yeah, thank you guys so much for your support. Your constant support means a lot to me. Anywho, without further ado, let's go ahead and announce the giveaway winners. I feel like I've been talking way too much. Hold on, I need to go ahead and open my phone up here. So the first winner, we have the Polygel kit, the lamp, and 𝚤𝚎𝚘. I have no idea why I think I made it too complicated and I explained myself well, but basically it was just 3 giveaways in one, but you could only choose one. I don't know if that made sense. But the first winner we have is Cass City B. Make sure you go ahead and check your email. I will be emailing you for your address, so I'm able to ship this out to you. Then the second winner we have Larissa Mercado, which is the gel polish kit and the lamp. Congrats to you, girl, and thank you so much for your kind words. It means a lot to me. And then lastly we have Penny Vestina. Oh my gosh, I love your name, it's so pretty. She went ahead and won the dip powder kit, and I just want to say thank you for this big paragraph. Honestly, I had so much fun reading all your nice comments and your words. Thank you so much, and also make sure to check your email. I'm very grateful for you guys all, and hopefully I'm able to make another giveaway for you guys. But yeah, that's the giveaway winners. If you guys are watching this video, please comment down below as well. I really would appreciate you guys if you guys comment down below as well. But without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys watch this video. If I have to go ahead and give a tutorial, then I will go ahead. I think I'm only gonna be doing a tutorial on the marble because that's the only design that I did here. I made sure to keep these nails kind of simple, but not too simple, if you know what I mean. For so long, and it's killing Okay, so first I'm gonna start by grabbing some of that white and clear polygel, and I'm just mixing it around onto the nail, just adding it just like so. Once I have that done, I'm using a toothpick to go ahead and just swirl the colors around to create that beautiful marble that we always want. Once I have the design where I want it to, I'm gonna go ahead and grab my polygel brush and just go ahead and place that, and just basically just patting it into place. There you guys see, I'm just patting, making sure that I fully pat everything down, so you know I don't lose my shape either, because usually I do when I do marble. Sometimes I do lose my shape, but I'm making sure just to clean up my sidewalls and all that good stuff. Once I'm done with that, we're gonna go ahead and now cure, and then we're gonna go ahead and encapsulate using clear to build the apex and to add structure on the nail.
What you tell yourself, I should have known that we could never be friends. I hear you just thought we could, but we could never be friends. We could never be friends. We could never be friends.
Okay, and so here is my application. This is how it looks. I think my application definitely has gotten better. Here you guys can see that I need very minimal filing, just because my application, it's not that best yet, but it was pretty okay. But anyhow, I went ahead and grabbed some alcohol liquid wipe to remove that tacky layer so it doesn't gunk up our files and our bits. Once I'm done with that, I am ready to go ahead and start filing. So here's how my nails look. I'm going to be using this ceramic extra fine bit. I got it from AliExpress. I'm going to be turning my IFA to 7,000 RPMs. And I'm going to just be using this bit to remove any bulk and to also seal the cuticle area. I honestly really recommend this bit. I think it was only like $1 or so on AliExpress. And I got here in 2 or 3 weeks, I'm not too sure, but like I said, I'm a very patient person, and if I can save my money, I am gonna go ahead and do that. Now, grabbing my metal file, this allows me to go ahead and make a very crisp shape. I go ahead and shape my sidewalls, just so you know, look absolutely pretty and gorgeous. Just because, like I said, I struggle with filing a lot. I sometimes do overfile. I don't know if you guys noticed that in my last set. I think it was a purple polygel set that I did. I kind of overfiled there. But overall, I really love filing. Like I said, I really had to do very minimal filing. I didn't have to do like extra filing. Usually I take 2 hours, not even gonna lie, to do my filing, or even more. This set, I believe, took me only 6 hours just because of length. And yeah, this set did not take me as long as I thought it would. I think it was 6 hours. I'm not even sure, to be honest. I am pretty slow at doing my own nails. When it comes to other people, it usually takes me 2 hours now. But yeah. Okay, and so here's how my nails look once they've been shaped, filed, and buffed. I don't think I showed you guys when I buffed them. I have no idea why. I don't remember, to be honest. But this is how the nails look so far. I'm also going to go ahead and show you guys my apex. I think I definitely improved on my apex. I'm going to get myself a pat on the back because I am finally able to kind of, you know, get the apex correctly. Here you guys are kind of able to see how it really looks on my on my right hand. So I'm going to start by going ahead and be using these stickers. They are dragon stickers. They're really pretty. I got these from AliExpress. Then I'm going to be using this foil, which I already went ahead and cut up. And I'm going to start by applying the sticker. Just went ahead and grab the sticker, put it on the nail, and once I have it placed to where I want it, I'm going to go ahead and use my finger to basically just set that down onto the nail. Once we're done with that, we're going to go ahead and top coat the nail. Now I'm going to be using the Koopa top coat. I really love this top coat and I highly recommend it. It's literally $10 and it works extremely great. I'm really happy. It doesn't get tacky after a few days and it is not yellow, and it honestly works really great. But I'm just going to go ahead and top coat each nail besides the marble nail. The marble nail, I still need to go ahead and add foil to it, but that's all I'm doing. I'm just applying top coat and then cure for 60 seconds.
Ooh, I guess it wasn't true. If I only knew what you put me through, I don't deserve this.
Now I'm going to go ahead and be using some of this UV glue, and I'm placing some right where I feel like I might apply the foil. Once I have that, I'm grabbing my tweezers and applying the foil onto the nail. And then the placement honestly was something that I struggled with a lot because I couldn't get it right. It didn't make me happy, the placement, so I kept going ahead and moving them around until I finally was able to. It took me around 10 to 15 minutes just to figure out the placement. Can you guys believe that? But yeah, once you're done with that, once you've got your placement down, I do go ahead and use my fingers just to go ahead and kind of push the foil downward so it's not lifting up. I know that makes sense. But once I'm done with that, I go ahead and then cure for 60 seconds. And then lastly, I go ahead and top coat it, and then I cure the top coat for 60 seconds as well. I go ahead and add some cuticle oil to my cuticles just so I rehydrate my cuticles after we've done all that work. And basically we are done. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it, and let me know what you guys think of these nails. Did you like them? Did you not like them? I definitely had so much fun making these, and hopefully you guys as well enjoyed this video. And let me know if you guys learned anything. I am very grateful for you guys. Like I said, thank you guys again so much for 2,000 subscribers. It means the world to me. But yeah, anyway, without further ado, make sure you guys please stay safe. Make sure you like this video as well if you enjoyed it. It really helps me, honestly. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.